The possibilities of Google Bard usage cases are limitless and growing every day. We will cover 10 most important and common cases of this platform. Let's start with the most common yet the simplest action: answering questions. Google Bard will try to answer to your questions as accurate as possible. Example: how many countries are in Africa, and how many countries have English as their formal language? As you can see, Bard even gives you more detailed data than your initial question's reply is supposed to be. Just remember that you can ask him to rewrite the answer in a shorter form. Second, translate languages. Bard can translate in any article or text to most of the languages with high accuracy. Bard is being updated with new languages every day. Therefore, to determine the number of languages it can translate, ask Bard himself. And here is a translation example. Please translate the following phrase into German, then into Italian. I love my father and my mother. Third, writing. Bard can write long form of articles, books, and essays about any topic with an extremely high speed. Example: could you please write for me an article about using modern computers in schools? The article should be about 2,000 words. Four, brainstorming and suggesting ideas. Bard can provide with new ideas and possibilities about your job or business that you didn't think before. Example: I created a new table. I want you to suggest the most effective ways to promote and market this product. Now, Bard wants more data to be able to produce good results. You can add more details about the table as requested. It is a computer table, it has a modern design, and it targets computer workers and freelancers. Five, summarizing a book or an article. Bard read can quickly any text or even a link to an online link. Example: can you summarize the following article? Followed by the article URL. Six, analyzing data. Bard can do mathematical and analytical calculations on vast amount of data in very short amount of time, such as stock market data or a corporation-specific dataset. For example, please analyze the Nasdaq index price and calculate the average price of Nasdaq index per month in the last 6 months, starting from June 2023 until December 2023. Now, Bard asks for data source to analyze data from. Therefore, I will provide him a link of the Nasdaq stock price data. Seven, creative content. Bard can write new poems, musical pieces, and similar type of artistic content. For example, can you write me a new poem about nature and meditation? 8. Consultancy and legal advice. Bard can guide you on certain jobs such as how to perform a certain task and can offer legal advice on certain topics. For example, how to ensure that my online e-commerce store is compatible with EU legislation. Nine. Motivational advice. Bard can suggest different solution based on your personal mood or current feelings. For example, I studied hard in the last 4 hours. I feel exhausted. What should I do in the next couple of hours? Ten. Programming. Bard can write different code and scripts in many programming languages to do certain tasks. For example, can you write me a C# module that calculates the distance between the middle point of a circle and the middle point of a rectangle? Those are 10 common scenarios of how Bard can be helpful to you as a beginner. This is not even close to 1% of what Bard can do. Of course, there is a lot to cover and Bard can do much more that you can imagine. More advanced videos about Bard's usage and features will be added to this channel. Therefore, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to not miss anything. Goodbye for now.